Hello, I'm Victoria from Alpha Digital Marketing and I am the trainer for the Google Business Profile Workshop. This was historically known as Google My Business, but what hasn't changed is the fact that many businesses are still either not using this free tool, and it is completely free, or they are not using it to its full potential. The Google Business Profile offers you many opportunities to share your products and your services with those who are actively searching on Google. When people are searching on Google, they're looking for that service or that product right now. So make sure you are not missing out by ensuring that your profile is optimized. There are so many benefits to using this, and it really is completely free profile. It will help your SEO, it will help you analyze how people are finding your business and making sure that your business is running on the right trajectory in terms of being found online. It will also show you different ways of how you can connect with your clients through the Google platform. Hope to see lots of you on that workshop through the course of the year.